Hello everyone, I am Dr. Kalpana. Today we are going to learn about NABARD, its functions and role. NABARD stands for National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, and it was established on 12 July 1982 with paid up capital of 100 crore, 50-50 contribution of Government of India and Reserve Bank of India. It was found through enacting legislation by Union Government, the National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development Act 1981. The Reserve Bank of India divested its entire stake in National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development and National Housing Bank. With this divestment, Government of India holds 100% stake in both of these financial institutions. After Reserve Bank of India, NABARD is the most important bank of this country as it is the apex bank. It is Apex Development Bank of India. It is an apex institution in rural credit structure for providing credit for promotion of agriculture, small scale industries, cottage and village industries, handicraft, etc. NABARD has 7 subsidiaries. Sometimes they are called 7 sisters of NABARD also, established to leverage its institute's expertise with its own specialist catering to specific sectors. Nav Kisan, that was founded in 1997. Nav Samriddhi in the same year. Nav Finance also in the same year. Nav Foundation in 2019. Nav Cons, that is Nav Consultancy, which provides consultancy services to the farmers and small scale industries, which was founded in 2003. Nav Ventures, 2018. Nav Sanrakshan in 2020. So NABARD is having the Department of Subsidiaries and Strategic Management, which was created on 4th August 2014 with the objective of providing focused attention to the subsidiaries, strategic investment in companies, and managing investment in alternative investment fund. So NABARD having these subsidiaries has specialized in its services so far as rural credit finance is concerned. Here are the key functions of NABARD. NABARD being Apex Development Bank of India has its headquarters in Mumbai, is having 4 key functions which needs to be kept in mind. It provides refinance to lending institutions in rural area. What are those lending institutions? Are regional rural banks and cooperative banks. It brings about and promotes institutional development so far as looking after those RRBs and cooperative banks. It launches development programs and trains them. It evaluates, monitors, and inspects the client banks and refinance projects. It acts as a coordinator in the operation of rural credit institutions, means cooperative banks and RRBs. One of the most important function, or we can say the contribution, it launches certain programs which are called developmental programs. NABARD is known for it, has contributed significantly to the development of rural India is concerned. These are the programs which are globally known for its contribution and great results. Self-help group bank linkage program, that is a microcredit innovation department launched this program to facilitate access to the financial services to unreached and underserved poor in 1992. Now, it is the largest microfinance program in the world in respect of its client base and outreach. Another priority program launched by NABARD is Watershed Development Program. The finance minister in his budget for 2000 announced the creation of Watershed Development Fund in National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development with broad objectives of unification of multiplicity of watershed development program into a single national initiative through involvement of village level institutions. In pursuance thereof, Watershed Development Fund was created in NABARD with contribution of 100 crore each by Ministry of Agriculture, Government of India and NABARD, means 300 crore budget was passed. Important contributions of NABARD other than these programs: Kisan Credit Card Scheme. This scheme was introduced in 1998 in association with Reserve Bank of India to provide crop loan to the small farmers. A Rupee Kisan Card. All farmers' clients were provided with Rupee Kisan Card, trying to bring a technological change in rural financial sector. Supervisory role of NABARD is also very important to learn. Inspection. It supervises corporate banks and RRBs and launches training programs also. It recommends licensing for RRBs and cooperative banks to RBI. As in earlier lecture, I told you, new bank license issue authority is with Reserve Bank of India. In 2012, Banking Laws Amendment Act 2012, where Reserve Bank of India was empowered to issue bank licenses. So here, when it comes to issuing a new bank license for any regional rural bank or cooperative bank, it is based on the recommendation by NABARD. Then only Reserve Bank of India issues license to RRBs and cooperative banks in our country. It launches training programs to the staff of these credit institutions working with RRBs and cooperative banks. NABARD's role in rural development is very significant, for which it was found. It deals with the policy making matters concerning rural credit. Planning. It is involved in planning for agriculture and rural activities. It provides credit for rural development programs, which we have already discussed. Two major programs launched by NABARD. One is self-help group bank linkage program and watershed development program in earlier slide. New business initiative of NABARD, NIDA, NABARD Infrastructure Development Assistant, which was launched in 2011. It provided finance for infrastructural development in rural areas of India, direct refinance to cooperative core banking solution for short-term credit, which is very important initiative of NABARD, which opens the branches for core banking solution. A farmer or a person who is living in a village having his account anywhere in any other branch, but when it comes to getting a solution, these branches solves the problem. That's why its name has been uh, named as core banking solution. Now I would conclude here about NABARD overview and its function and role. Agriculture and rural development is dependent on NABARD's efficiency in India. NABARD is fulfilling its role as per economy needs. NABARD is a crucial for the growth of rural India. More than 75% of Indian are depending upon agriculture. So pressure on agriculture sector so far as subsistence of Indian population is concerned is the most. Rural infrastructure investment help in raising socio-economic status of rural people through increased income levels and quality of life. NABARD being an apex, or we can call supreme institution for providing credit facilities and capacity building to Indian rural economy. It has great opportunity for poverty reduction and socio-economic empowerment of rural India. With this, I would end here. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Happy learning. Take care.